Jennifer Kennedy is a candidate for City Council who has devoted her time to our community.
You have important choices on Election Day. First, Measure FS is good for renters because it will require landlords to pay their fair share of registration fees. Right now, landlords pass nearly all of that fee through to tenants. If Measure FS passes, the amount of the fee tenants will pay will be reduced and the maximum fee the board can charge will be capped. Measure H and HH are both good because they will enable the city to control how much affordable housing is built without relying on developer-driven projects. Now about the airport. I want an open process that allows residents to have a say in what uses and development may occur on airport land if the airport is closed, and Measure LC does just that. I'm Jennifer Kennedy, and I ask for your vote for City Council.